Do traumatic experiences affect women's sexuality? What are the most unusual sexual practices around the world? Hello to all lovers of psychology and sexuality. Today, we will unveil the sexual curiosities of women. If you are interested in these topics, make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell to not miss our future videos. Also, leave us comments and share your experiences in the section below. Let's get started. Yes, traumatic experiences, such as sexual abuse or emotional trauma, can have a significant impact on women's sexuality. They can lead to issues like sexual dysfunction, post-traumatic stress disorder, and difficulties in sexual relationships. Sexual practices vary widely worldwide and may be considered unusual in certain cultures. Examples include body suspension in some BDSM subcultures and the love bed in Japan. What is unusual in one place may be common in another. Semen abstinence. Some male animals may abstain from ejaculating during mating to increase their chances of successfully mating with multiple partners. Alcohol and drug effects. Excessive alcohol consumption and certain drug use can affect sexual function in men, sometimes making it challenging to achieve orgasm. Anorgasmia is the inability to achieve orgasm. It can be caused by physical or psychological factors and may be treated with sexual therapy. Association with stigma. Although society has evolved in terms of sexual acceptance, anal sex can still be associated with stigmas. Education and openness can help challenge these stigmas. The orgasm gap refers to the difference in orgasm frequency between men and women in heterosexual relationships. Open communication and equality in sexual satisfaction are key to closing this gap. Cervical orgasm. Some women report experiencing cervical orgasms, which feel deeper and may last longer than clitoral orgasms. Creativity. Creativity and the ability to express oneself through art, music, or other creative forms can be attractive. Dance skills. The ability to dance can be attractive as it shows coordination, rhythm, and fun. Delayed ejaculation. Some men experience the opposite of premature ejaculation, known as delayed ejaculation, where it takes them a significantly longer time to reach orgasm during sexual activity. Different types of orgasm. Some women report different types of orgasms, such as clitoral, vaginal, or G-spot orgasms. The orgasm experience can vary depending on the type and stimulation. Dry orgasm. Some men may experience dry orgasms, meaning they feel the sensation of an orgasm without the release of semen. This can occur due to medical conditions or practices like semen retention. The effect of spicy foods. Spicy foods can increase heart rate and sweating, which could mimic some of the physical responses to sex, leading to the idea that they can be aphrodisiacs. Effects on the body. During a male orgasm, muscles contract and semen is released. This fluid release is part of the reproductive process and may contain sperm for fertilization. Eroticism in literature. Erotic literature has been an integral part of writing throughout history. Famous authors like Anais Nin, Henry Miller, and E.L. James have contributed to this literary genre. Facial hair. Features like sideburns, mustaches, or beards can also be attractive, depending on individual preferences. Fantasies and role-playing. Anal sex is often incorporated into fantasies and role-playing. Exploring shared fantasies can enhance emotional connection between partners. Sex phobia. Genophobia is the extreme fear or aversion to sex. It can be debilitating and is often related to past traumatic experiences. Sexual therapy and counseling can be helpful in overcoming this phobia. Health and well-being. Orgasms have health benefits, such as stress reduction, strengthening the immune system, releasing endorphins, happiness hormones, and relieving pain. They can also improve sleep quality. History of vibration. The use of vibrating devices for sexual stimulation dates back to the 19th century. Initially created as medical devices to treat female hysteria, they became popular sexual toys. Individual exploration. Before attempting anal sex with a partner, some people prefer to explore individually to understand their own limits and preferences. Influence of smell on attraction. Smell plays a significant role in sexual attraction. Certain pheromones and body odors have been shown to influence attraction between individuals. Kegel, not just for women, Kegel exercises, involving the contraction and relaxation of pelvic floor muscles, are not exclusive to women. Men can also benefit from them to improve sexual health and control. Right side and left side. Some research suggests that people have preferences for the right or left side during intercourse, although the reason behind these preferences remains a mystery. Menopause and sexuality. Menopause can impact women's sexuality, causing symptoms like vaginal dryness and changes in sexual desire. Communication with a partner and medical attention can help address these changes. Mixed orgasm. Some women experience mixed orgasms, which are a combination of clitoral and vaginal orgasms. This can be highly pleasurable and satisfying. Musculature. Muscularity, especially in men, can be considered attractive as it relates to strength and physical fitness. Non-verbal communication. The ability to communicate through gestures, eye contact, and positive body language can be very attractive. Orgasm without stimulation. While less common, some women may experience orgasms without physical stimulation, solely through mental or emotional arousal, sometimes called a brain orgasm. Orgasms and menopause. Some women experience an increase in the frequency and intensity of orgasms after menopause, as hormonal changes can positively impact sexual function. Paraphilia refers to sexual attraction to unusual objects, situations, or activities. Examples include exhibitionism, voyeurism, and fetishism. Personal care, including hygiene, style, and health, can also influence attraction. Point A. Similar to the G-spot, some women report the existence of an A-spot on the anterior wall of the rectum, which can be stimulated to induce intense orgasms. Preparation. Proper preparation, such as relaxation and the use of lubricants, can make the experience more enjoyable and comfortable. Prostate and P-spot. The P-spot is the male counterpart to the G-spot and is located in the prostate. Prostate stimulation can lead to intense orgasms, and some men enjoy this form of stimulation. Pseudocyesis, also known as psychological pregnancy, is a condition in which a person experiences pregnancy symptoms, such as abdominal weight gain and absence of menstruation, despite not being pregnant. This phenomenon is uncommon, but illustrates the mind's influence on the body. Sexual records. Wondering about the female sexual record? American porn actress Lisa Sparks claims to have had sex with 919 men, according to the Guinness World Records. In a scientific study, 134 orgasms were recorded in an hour in a woman, while men reached a maximum of 16 orgasms in the same period. Human sexuality is a fascinating and diverse field that never ceases to amaze us. Sexual curiosities unveil the wonderful complexity of the human experience in the intimate realm. As we explore and understand these facts, it is crucial to remember that each individual is unique in their sexual experience. Respecting and communicating with your partner are the keys to a satisfying and healthy sexual life. Sexual education and understanding are essential tools for fully embracing our sexuality.